Tumblr that I recently completed, and I got a lot of questions about how I got the grass-like texture at the bottom of the tumbler. So I thought that I would show you how to make a simple tool that maybe you can use too to make some texture on the surface of your clay. Here's a little ink brayer that I've had in my studio for years, and this is what I use to make that grass texture. First thing I'm going to do is take the roller away from the handle. There we go. Just snap that off. Then I have this string also in my studio. What I'm going to do is go ahead and start to wrap that. I'm just going to keep going over and over and over so that in the end I'm going to get this random pattern. Okay. I'm going to stick the ends underneath and then cut the strings. Now we're going to reattach the brayer. As you can see, I've already formed my clay around my form for the tumbler, and I've established a boundary line right here where I'm going to go ahead and roll my brayer down this way for the grasses. I'm just going to start at the boundary line, just firmly go in like that, turn it just a little bit, again start at the boundary line, work my way down, turn it a little more, and you go all the way around, just like that. I'm going to take my needle tool and trim away the excess. And here's our textured surface. Here's a piece I'm working on right now where I use that exact same tool to do the texture down at the bottom of this piece. Here's a finished piece. As you'll notice, the grass pieces are not only visually attractive, but when you run your finger over it, you can also feel them. Now, the way I finished it is I took underglaze and I put a little bit of the velour black in the crevices, and then I took other colors and used just little pops of color to create the illusion of little wildflowers, or little pieces of grass, little, maybe other weeds or whatever that might be out in the meadow. I hope this tip sparks your imagination as you're working with your own pottery. If you get a chance to use this tip or make your own tool, send me some pictures and I would love to post them on my Little Street Pottery page. Thanks for watching my video. Until next time, I'll see you in the studio.